In 2025, the electric mobility revolution takes an exciting leap forward with the arrival of a futuristic four-wheeled e-bike that's set to challenge the very idea of urban commuting. This isn't just another concept, it's a real game changer, combining the agility of a bike with the comfort and safety of a compact car. With its sleek, aerodynamic design and sharp lines, this four-wheeled e-bike looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It features a full LED lighting system, enclosed cabin-like frame, and a body crafted to reduce drag and maximize efficiency. Unlike traditional two-wheeled e-bikes, this one comes with four wheels for enhanced stability and safety. It's powered by high-torque hub motors that deliver quick acceleration with whisper-quiet performance. The bike can reach a top speed of 90 km per hour and offers a range of up to 160 km on a single charge, making it perfect for daily city commuting. The interior is equally advanced. It seats two passengers comfortably and includes a futuristic digital cockpit with a smart display, AI-assisted navigation, and smartphone connectivity. Everything is designed with the rider's convenience and control in mind. Charging is fast and efficient thanks to next-gen fast charging technology. It can go from 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes. On top of that, an optional solar panel system provides extra eco-friendly support, making this e-bike one of the greenest vehicles on the market. Safety features include regenerative braking, advanced suspension for a smoother ride, a roll cage-inspired frame for added protection, and smart sensors for obstacle detection. This four-wheeled e-bike redefines what urban transport can look like. It's compact enough for bike lanes, powerful enough for regular roads, and smart enough to keep up with modern lifestyle demands. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or simply cruising, this e-bike may soon replace the need for a car altogether. The future of transportation is not four doors, it's four wheels, electrified, and brilliantly compact. Stay tuned as this futuristic machine rolls out and prepares to shake up the streets in 2025 and beyond.